Hi my dears, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? All are fine? Okay, today we are going to discuss our new chapter in our grammar. What is that? Phrase and clause. What is phrase and give me dears? Phrase and clause. Phrases and clauses. Have you heard about these two terms? Phrases and clauses? Yes. Then we can discuss how we can identify phrase and how we can identify clause. Before going to our chapter, we want to discuss something about phrases. Okay, phrases is a group of words and these words work together as a unit, but they don't have a subject and a verb. Understood? And it is not make a complete sense. Not make a complete sense. എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? Complete meaning ഇല്ല. And also, what is that? It don't have subject and a verb. Listen here. Don't have subject and verb. എഴുതി വെച്ചോട്ടോ സൈഡിൽ എവിടെയെങ്കിലൊക്കെ. ഫ്രേസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് വേർഡ്സ് ആണ്. അതിൽ എന്തുണ്ടാവില്ല? ഒരു കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ദേ ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് വേർഡ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് മൈ ഡിയേഴ്സ്? Okay. Then next we are moving our clauses. It has no finite verb also. It has no finite verb. And the finite, non-finite. What is that? What is that? സബ്ജക്റ്റിന്റെ നമ്പറിൽ മാറ്റം വരുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും? വേർബിൽ മാറ്റം വരും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫിനിറ്റ്. വി ഓൾറെഡി ഡിസ്കസ് അല്ലേ? അന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതാണ് അല്ലേ? SODS ചേർക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ. യെസ്, അതാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് നോ ഫിനിറ്റ് വേർബ്. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് ഫ്രേസ് എന്ന് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത്. നോട്ട് മേക്ക് എ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സെൻസ് ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ഇൻ ദ സെന്റൻസ്. ഇത് ഒരു സെന്റൻസിലുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, with in the sentence. It's made. Okay, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവും, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവും. Then not make a complete sense, don't have a subject and verb, and no finite word. Understand? Okay, finite എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റിന്റെ എണ്ണം അനുസരിച്ച് വേർബിൽ ഉണ്ടാവും, മാറ്റം വരില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം. Okay. Then we are going to discuss our clause. എന്താണ് നെക്സ്റ്റ്? Clause. Clause എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ does have a subject and verb. ക്ലോസിന് എന്തുണ്ടാവും? സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും, പറഞ്ഞേ, വേർബും ഉണ്ടാവും. ഇവിടെ എന്തില്ല? സബ്ജക്റ്റും വേർബും ഫ്രേസിൽ ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഹാവ് എ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മീനിങ്, അതായത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സെൻസ് ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല അല്ലെ? സെൻസ് ഇല്ല. ഇവിടെ എന്തുണ്ട്? കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മീനിങ്. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മീനിങ് ആർക്ക്? ക്ലോസിന്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് how we can identify clause? It's have a complete meaning and subject and a verb. Okay, understood? Okay, then it's have a finite word with the just opposite. Finite verb ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും എന്തില്? Clause. Okay, then all of you open your textbook. Rohan hit a number of boundaries. I think you got it. അല്ലേ? എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത്? കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സെൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, ഫ്രേസിൽ ഒന്നുമില്ല. അവിടെ എന്തുണ്ട്? ക്ലോസിലെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ, ബട്ട് എന്താണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഫ്രേസിന്റെ ഉപയോഗം എന്താ? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ യൂസ് ഓഫ് ഫ്രേസ് then? Okay, we are going to discuss. Okay, before I want to give one example. Rohan hit a number of boundaries. Hit a number of boundaries. Okay, then which is the next? That is okay. This is our, all of you listen, phrase. ഇതാണ് phrase. Rohan hit a number of boundaries. Is there any subject word? No. Then is there any feelings? No. Then is have complete sense, meaning undo, complete meaning undo? Illa. We can call is our phrase. And all of you listen. Rohan hit a number of boundaries before he was caught. This sentence is before he was caught. This is our what? It have a complete meaning and finite and everything. We can call this is our what? This is our what? Yes, this is our clause. Understood all of you? Okay, then all of you read the next one. On his way home from school, Adil stopped at M Block Market. Is there any meaning on his way home from school? That is correct, complete meaning. No. We can call that is our phrase, and that underlined one, that is our clause. ഒന്നുമില്ല, ഫ്രേസിന് മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട്, ക്ലോസിന് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടാവും. അതിലൊരു സബ്ജക്റ്റും വേർബും ഉണ്ടാവും, അതിൽ ഫിനിറ്റ് വേർബിലും എന്താണ് ആ റൂളും ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Understood? Okay, then all of you open your textbook, all of you read. The tables, the phrases and clauses are a meaningful group of words depend on another part of the sentence of completing their meaning. Okay, dependent on they want. Then I told you that here, before I told you that it's not have complete sense. What I told you? Related, all of you listen. Phrase in the column, it may have complete meaning and may not. May and may not. Okay. Chalappa undavum, chalappa undavilla. Okay. Then phrase, it does not make complete sense and it can make complete by itself. Understood? We already discussed. It does have complete sense and it does not have complete sense. Then, in the last hour, a minute ago, where he could sleep and that the clock is rather slow. Okay, then it has no subject or predicate. It has a subject and a predicate. Then next, it has no finite verb. It has a finite verb. A main clause has all the features of sentence and can stand alone as an independent sentence. Okay, main clause has all the features of a sentence. Main clause ആയി വരുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? All features of sentence ഉണ്ടാവും. And it can stand alone as an independent sentence. Okay, surely I will give you through our examples. Then mark the words in color as phrases P or clauses C. All of you read. All of you read. Grandfather bought Tutu the monkey from Tonga River. Is it a phrase or close phrase? Like from Tonga River, we don't know what he bring from, what happened in Tonga from, what we get from Tonga River. Tonga driver. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. The tops of the mountain, tops were covered with the snow. Is it a phrase or close? The tops of the mountain. Yes, it is close. Is it close? Close or not? No, it is phrase. Then third one, he has a chain which is made of gold. He has a chain. Complete meaning under, finite under. Then, is it close or phrase? Close. Fourth one, mother was sure that Sunita had broken the cup. Had kando, finite and non-finite under. Then, finite under. Subject under, verb under, surely it is close. He finished his work. Close. Right. Close the leg. Yes. Then we all ran into the kitchen when we heard a bang. Close. Seventh one. I will meet you very soon in school. Yes. Phrase. In school. Phrase. Eighth one. Because she was not feeling well. Close. Complete meaning. 9. Of mysteries and detective stories. Phrase sound. Okay, good. 10. If Bill desires to leave, other people will leave too. If Bill desires to leave. Yes, close. 11th one. We left before the rain stopped. Before the rain started. Close. 12th one. The girl in the neighboring house. Yes, phrase. 13. The supermarket where there is a sale is 2 blocks away from my house. Where there is a sale. Yes, where there is a sale is close. The scientists said that the zone levels were dangerous. Close. Then, a wall of ancient Pompeii was discovered. Phrase. Sonia screamed when she saw the shadow on the wall. Yes, close. Then, next, underline the phrases and tick the sentence in the poster. Okay, all of you listen. Then, which are the phrases here? Children's Day Carnival. Then, give me, which is the next one? At the Central Municipal Park. Phrase, on Friday. 14 November 2013, 2 p.m. Then full stop. Then which is the next one? 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, that is phrase. Lots of rides. Lots to eat. Phrase. Lots to drink. Next phrase. On the spot competitions. Next one. Which is the next one? On the spot prize to be won. Okay, these are phrases. Sentence edikya. The chief guest, Mr. Sanat Kumar, well-known children's writer. Next one, will distribute the prizes at 4 p.m. Children below 12 years must be accompanied by adults. Okay. Then which is the next one? Exercise 3. Complete these sentences with phrases or clause as indicated in the brackets. Okay. Exercise 3. Okay, I will give you first 5, then other things, other questions you want to answer. Okay. Mithu has a shoe that he wears to school every day. Okay, then dash Renji stopped at Mr. Kumar's shop to give him the good news. Another phrase in that case. What we give one right was the new girl, Renji stopped at Mr. Kumar's shop. You can write your own answers. Okay. Then which is the next one? I showed her the house. Then we want to write one clause. That she was interested in renting. That she was interested in renting. Fourth one, they returned. The phrase aanu avade phrase aanu? Yes. They returned from the hospital. Okay, understood. So bracket il endano ennallathu adinanusarichu oru sentence ningalude create cheyam. Okay, they returned from the hospital. We cannot go out. Without the permission of our mother, or without the permission of my mother. You can write your own. Okay, I think you got, and you can write your own. Okay, nothing in the students. What is that? Phrase and clause തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണ്. ഫ്രേസിൽ എന്താണ്? ഫ്രേസിന് ഒറ്റ എടുക്കണം പറഞ്ഞേക്കുക, അതൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് മീനിങ് കിട്ടൂല. പക്ഷെ ക്ലോസിലാണെങ്കിൽ മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടാവും, പിന്നെ എന്തൊക്കെയാ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് വെർബ് ഉണ്ടാവും, അത് ഫിനിറ്റ് എന്താവും അതിലുണ്ടാവും, ഫിനിറ്റ് വേർബ്സ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. Understand? That's only. Okay. Then you can write the rest of the exercise and submit me today itself. Okay. Don't postpone tomorrow. Today itself. Okay. Read the chapter well. You may think that it's a simple chapter, nothing there, but study well today itself. Okay, dears. Okay, my dears. Then I want the answers. I want answers today itself. Okay. Thank you.